Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams, and my continuing quest for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bath house continues. Today we are down in Banilad and Bacong, and I'm checking out a 20,000 peso house. I didn't realize it was on a compound, but hey. So come along and check it out with me. Okay, so this is the boss right here.
No.
She's the boss.
No.
Yes, she is. Alright, so this yellow structure right here is the actual house. Now, it's in a compound, and there's 2 bachelor units right here, right next to it. But it's all new construction, right?
Yes, sir.
It's all new construction, and it has split-type air cons, Samsung inverters, digital inverters, my favorite. And let's check it out. And this comes with the furnishings, Mom?
Yes, sir.
This comes with the furnishings? Alright, so it's got some furnishings. It's got a mass TV. I don't know what that means. And it's a 3-bedroom, and they're big bedrooms. Well, good sized bedrooms. Ah, it's nice and cool in here. Oh, because the aircon's going. And what's good is it's got security grates. It's got sliding windows, which is great. And it's got screens. And it comes with the bed, nice doors. And this must be the master bath. This master bedroom, I should say. And it's got a bed, a little table for your beauty needs. Another Samsung digital inverter. Good security. And nice bathroom. Like I said, this is all new construction. Hand sanitizer. Nice toilet. Water heater, good spacious shower area with a raised lip so it doesn't get water all over the place. And a free dying cockroach. That's included. And you gotta have the faucet for washing your feet off. This is nice. Again, this is the master bedroom. It's got the remote control. And this is the dining area. Comes with a nice table, chairs. The appointing is really nice. You got a fan here. This is the kitchen area. Another inverter, this one. And you got counter space. And your sink. And another free cockroach. And cabinets. They could have done a better job on the cabinets. This is a problem that you see often in some areas of the Philippines. This isn't good. But hey. And they got the styrofoam packing on the bottom. And another bathroom. No water heater. Let's go to shower. And toilet, all that stuff. So, I thought this was 3 bedrooms, but it's only 2. Let's go outside. Ah, bananas. Lots and lots and lots of bananas. Wow, yeah, they got lots of bananas. Holy gosh. And of course, they got the fire pit for burning stuff. You know, because that's part of living in the Philippines. And it looks like they're growing something over here. This is like a, I'm not sure. But again, this is a compound. This attaches to another compound over there. And you got the 2 bachelor pads over there. One of them is occupied. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house in Bacong, in Banilad. And for internet, up there they have what I don't like to see, one of those canopy internet 4G systems. So there's that. And again, they're asking 20,000 pesos for this. I tell you, these Samsung digital inverters are nice. Okay, so that's about it. She's shy. And if you're interested in this, the phone number will be down in the video description box. You can get in contact with a family member that showed me this place. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's not a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So it's not good for our needs, but, ooh, papaya. If you're interested, again, it's down in the video description box. Until next time, this is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and the quest, the eternal quest, it seems, for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bath house continues here on Negros Oriental. Unicorns, puppies, and rainbows for all. Peace out. Bye. Get away. A little more enthusiasm. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.